What's going on YouTube? Bailey Wise, and we are back with yet another video. And I got my KTM drip. Hope I don't crash, but it's a Fox jersey, and you know how I'm coming in the big woman's jersey, as y'all saw in the last bike video. We got some drip now, so I'm about to hop on a Zl1. I'm about to get a little ride through, but this video is gonna be a little bit different. I gotta go to Colombia, aka where I grew up from. I'm about to go visit my mom, visit the family, but we are about to head to Colombia. But I figured I'd get one last ride for the weekend on the Zl1 before I do head to Colombia, because we are not gonna have the bikes out there because your boy needs to get a truck. So comment one down below if y'all want me to get a beater so I can actually travel with the bikes and go do crazy stuff, because that might be what we on. That might be what we on. I don't know. But anyway, let's get outside, get on this bike. We're letting it charge up a couple minutes, and then we are gonna head to Colombia so y'all get a little bit of riding and we get a little bit of the car content, all that, man. So first road trip in the Zl1 1Le underway. We got a little couple hour drive to get to Colombia. I don't know what we got going on right here, chat. We just parking right there right now. We got our flying the wheel. Flying the wheel. Look, do that on the flying the wheel. Flying the wheel. Hit my kneecap on something, but hey, foot on the fender, my boy. Foot on the fender, my boy. Came out, no cap. We on my road back here now. Hey. Hey. How clean is that? Clean, what y'all think? Clean, what y'all think? Yeah, we done found a spot, boys. I could bring my 2/5 out here, no cap. We are about to head to Columbia. So we got the bag packed with all the goodies. Gotta grab the hoodies because, you know, at night I'm big hoodie down to the socks. You know what I'm saying? All black. We like that. But we are about to hit the road to Columbia. We got a couple hour drive. I'm not gonna put the hat on because y'all, I just did my hair a little messy tight, but looking good as ever. Gotta grab the big camera and I'm gonna one trip it. So I'm gonna put the camera down, but when we get to the Z, we'll load the Z up. Y'all will see the Z, so don't fret, my boys. Y'all gonna see the Z. And the carbon wing looking lovely as ever, bro. That's probably like the hardest thing on the whip. Definitely dirty because all my videos, bro, y'all are in the non-washing period of my videos, bro. I've just been OD busy and I haven't had time to wash it, so that's probably why. And we're about to go down a mile-long dirt road to get to my mother's house, so it's gonna get dirty anyway. Let me get y'all a cold start and we're gonna heat it up. We got the ZL1 pack down. You see we got the Big John down there, the big quality catcher, and we got the bag right there. See, if you're a one person and you're going on a trip, why would you need a SUV? Why do you need a truck? Cop a Zl1 1Le. Anyway, let's get this start up. Sheesh. You know what you gotta do? You gotta smack that all on the flow, smack that. Make sure you need to be in neutral. Hey, but we do have a couple hour drive, so we're gonna let this thing heat up because we are dummy cold and you don't want to let the Z be smacked down to the toe down when it's cold. What is going on, chat? We done made it about, I would say we're close to, not necessarily halfway, but we're a good little bit down the road. Your boy had to stop, take a wee, and now we getting back on the interstate, but I figured I'd throw the GoPro on for the entrance ramp piece. You know what I'm saying? Got a Charger coming up behind me, so you know we ain't gonna go too stupid. I was about to though, but there was road debris. I got a Charger coming down behind me. I don't know what it is. We're about a football field ahead of it, so figure out. But we are pushing in local motion, and we about to head to Columbia. Got to get right. Got a lot of plans coming this weekend. I got to get my website up, so by the time this video is up, like I keep saying, my website should be live. And I'm headed now to meet my mom at her house so she can help me build my website because she knows how to do all that lovely stuff, and she gonna get our website looking better than ever. So we got a lot of plans coming. We got it's a work weekend, bro. We got to make the website, we got to get up a couple videos, we got to shoot a couple videos with my mom, get her in some videos because I know it has been a minute since y'all have even seen her. So you know, that's what we're on the way to do. We're about to get busy and make all the dreams come true. Can't stay stagnant, boy. Keep moving and grooving. It is what it is. We ain't gonna be losing, you feel me? Turn this into a GT3 by the end of the year, man. By the end of the year, big GT3 down, by the way. This Jeep better go. Look, Jeep better go. Hit the gap, cuh. Look, I'm gonna hit the gap in front of them. And we got a WRX coming up behind us. That fucking Blackwing don't want to keep up with me, though. That caddy wagon. That's a slow caddy wagon. Come on, we gonna let him catch up. Tell him catch up, cuh. We coming up on him. He coming up on us. I don't know if it's a V. I don't know what it is. If it's a V though, we on it. We on it if it's a V though. That shit hard though. That shit look lovely. God, a 350. Yeah, that's light cheese, but still a caddy. That shit looking good as ever though. We have officially made it to Columbia, and I'm actually headed past where I grew up at, where I went to elementary school at, where I grew up in these apartments, and I haven't been back on this side of town in a long minute. So I figured, what better video since we're coming back, seeing all the family, bringing the car back to the city for the first time that we grew up in. I figured we might as well take it to where we grew up because it's changed just a whole lot anyway. I don't even know if those were there when back when I was a kid. I'm pretty sure, I don't even know, bro. Everything just looks different every time I come back here. It's ridiculous. And this is my elementary school. One of my elementary schools. I got in a whole lot of trouble at that place. And I think that's probably why me and my mom ended up moving and relocating, because I was a bad little kid, bro. But that is ridiculous. I don't even remember what it looks like. I really don't even remember being in there besides like in the hallway. I remember one hallway having to tie my shoe. And that's literally it. But it's crazy because I went to school there. I played baseball up here growing up. So they got a sidewalk all the way to it now. And I guess a lot of people are just walking home. So I guess they put a sidewalk. Literally, that sidewalk is still going, bro. If I still lived out here, that is the perfect road to ride bikes. Sur-on or a dirt bike, you could take it down up and down this damn concrete road right here all day. It's flat too. Damn, I'm gonna have to relocate back to the city, huh? And we got a cop bush camping somewhere, bro. They've been out heavily today. Look, right there, state trooper. Look, looking. They're bush camping out today. I don't know why they're heavy out here, but this is where I grew up playing baseball. So I played baseball here, like, I swear, every day. Look at them. Look at the damn bush camping bastard right there. Look at it, though. The city is looking lovely. The baseball fields, man, I grew up there. That's crazy. It looks like they redone them a little bit. They look a little bit nicer. Stuff is a little bit more paved. And I used to sneak out of those apartments and come to this gas station all the time. I used to get in a lot of trouble to do that with my mom. But I did play baseball on these fields growing up, bro. That is crazy. And I'm pretty sure these apartments are the ones back there. I don't remember. I grew up in these apartments. Yeah, I don't remember, bro. And then I used to go to rec right here, then play in the basketball gym, after school care or whatever. I don't even know kind of care, but damn, bro, that was like a whole childhood right here, bro. All of this was. It's crazy seeing it all. Damn. It doesn't even feel real though. It doesn't even feel right coming back to where I guess you grew up. It feels like a lifetime ago. Like, I don't even feel like that was me that went there. You know what I mean? Like, that was at the beginning of my life, and now it's like, I don't know. Life is short, but also so long feeling at the same time when you try to go back and think about times like that, dude. It's crazy. I guess we might as well just have to go past all the random moments in life, bro. We're about to be pulling up on where one of my first jobs, pull up on my first job. I worked at a Moe's, and usually every time I come back to home, I always go past it just because that's kind of, I got my first Camaro working there, and I'm back in a Camaro, however, a couple many years later, and it's just crazy going back and seeing everything and taking a new whip every couple years down to this place and just like driving past it and realizing like it hasn't even been that far, but we've came far, bro. Came far, but it ain't been that long. I wonder how many 1Ls they got here in the city though. I wonder if I'm like one of the only Zl1 1Ls here around locally here, because I've not seen another one in Spartanburg. I honestly haven't seen any besides at the Dragon or YouTube or Instagram. It's like crazy, bro. You don't ever see these cars. And we got a wide body Scat behind us. He's coming up in this turning lane though. She looked good as ever. That boy lowered though. Lowered the God, lowered the gang. It's busy as ever down here now though, bro. Damn, it's busy. We are about to go past my first job, bro. It's crazy every time. I don't even know who works there, bro. I just don't like to go back in there. I literally, story time on that, I got fired, bro. I got fired from that place. Not even without getting fired though. Like, I had to get my wisdom teeth out, put it in like almost probably a month in advance, bro, maybe even longer. And I was like, I needed the day before, the day of, and the day after off. And usually, I mean, I was in high school, bro. I wasn't about to work 3 days in a row. And they scheduled me no days on the week besides the days I needed off. So obviously I'm not gonna show up, bro. Like, it is what it is. I'm off my medicine. Like, it just can't happen. But anyways, bro, I got fired. They didn't even send me the schedule. Look at that, getting wedding pictures. How lovely, cut. Sheesh. Congratulations to the beautiful, beautiful couple. And now, bro, we are coming up on where our first job was. We're about to go down the main little alley, bro. About to go look at Moe's. This place is dead though, bro. Now it's dead as ever. Like, there's nothing popping out here. Like, I don't even know why people would even come out here. This bit kind of doo-doo now, I'm not gonna lie, but it used to pop back in the day now. It used to pop. And look at it, bro. We got Moe's up here on the left. We're kind of stopped right now, but y'all might be able to see the Moe's sign. It is not a vibe to be here, bro, at all. Like, you got a movie theater and you got a Moe's, bro, and that's literally probably about it. But yeah, bro, that got me my first Camaro, so shout out to them for that. Kind of got me on my car shit for real. But yeah, we on a better, different place now. No cap. They got damn, bro, another couple getting married, bro. I didn't know Sandhills was the spot to get married in now. Unreal. Unreal. Congratulations again, eh? My fault, homie. That's on me, cuh. My fault, bro.